I'm Kim from DB2 Overland, and I have my helper here. Can you see him right there? And we're going to install the Ciro filler panels on my Road Glide. So we're going to clean them, clean the area, and we are going to install them. And let's see how this goes. Let's see if Mr. Helper gets in the way or if he actually helps. You're not going to help now? It's everything we need. Oh, hello. In order to install the Ciro filler panel lights. And here they are. Got the ties. Got the helper. Oh, he's camera shy. We're going to get this installed today and be able to get this on the road, be seen. All right. Has decided he doesn't want to help anymore. He wants inside. Bye-bye. So when running multiple Ciro lights, you will need the Y connector. I'm excited to get these installed. So let's do that next. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the left and right turn signals here, and you're going to plug them into the Y connector. All right, next step, here is the filler panel. I'm gonna plug that in. Easy as that. Now I'm going to test the lights. Okay, they're working. Now I'm going to put the bags back on and then we'll show you the finished product. So here's the Y connector. All right, and here's my lights from my other accessory lighting, which is the bag blades. So basically what you do is you take this one and this one and you plug them together. How easy. I'm probably gonna take a zip tie and keep these together down here. All right, now that the install is complete, let's actually check out the lights. All right, what do you think of that? I love it. Looks great. Looks really good. I'm excited. Can you tell? All right, I lost my helper. I want to give a huge shout out to Ciro3D. Thanks for the efficient shipping and also for making such great products. The lighting is nice and bright, and I can be seen on the road now. If I ever need to get the multi-connector, where I think you can add 4 different connectors from Ciro, I think the next thing I might do is probably do my side of my bags. It's good to be seen from the side as well. All right, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Give a big thumbs up, like, subscribe. See you down the road. Do you like them? You don't care? Wow.